Namaste and welcome. My name's Purusha and I'll be your point of contact for this next online live stream retreat. In this video, we'll look at how our retreat website works, as well as Zoom, the application that we'll be using for our online encounter groups. We're very much looking forward to sharing this space with you so that we can together create an energy field that emanates throughout the world. Without further ado, let's look at the website. By clicking on the link that you found in the email, you'll be taken to our login page, where you'll be prompted to input the password that you can also find in the email. After you've put the password in, click Go. This will take you to our live stream retreat webpage. Here you will be able to find this orientation video in case you would like to review it again, a full schedule of the retreat, remember all times are given in Costa Rican time, an overview of the entire retreat portal, and a frequently asked questions sections at the bottom of the page. Let's now go back to the top of the page where you will find the navigation bar to the rest of the retreat portal. Let's click here on the central button where you'll be taken to the main event, the retreat teachings page. Here you'll be able to find all of the teachings that will occur during the retreat, and you will also be able to review them at any time. We also highly recommend that you watch all the live streams on YouTube. You can do that by clicking this link, which will take you to a YouTube page. This will allow you to make comments and ask questions in the chat box during the live stream. Next, let's look at the forum. Here on the forum, you'll find a place where we can share information with you and you can share information with us. Any announcements that we make will be found here, and you'll also have a place to comment and ask questions. I will be reviewing this page several times a day. Next, let's look at the at-home retreat page. Here, you will find everything that you'll need to create a sacred retreat space in your own home, from setting your intention to creating a daily schedule. We really want to emphasize the early morning meditation practice of getting up before the sun rises and entering into a deep place of silence and stillness. We have included a majestic video teaching from Shunyamurti, which will help to facilitate this. Now let's take a look at the additional sadhana page. Here you will find additional retreat materials to enhance your sadhana, the Sanskrit word for spiritual practice, including pranayama and asana classes, and meditation music. If Shunyamurti shares any documentaries or additional study materials during the retreat, you will be able to find them here. So that's our website portal. Let's take a look at Zoom and see how we'll meet together for the encounter groups. You'll see an email just like this from me. Go ahead and click on Join the Zoom meeting, and you'll be either taken to download the program if you don't already have it installed, or you can go ahead and follow this prompt to open it. Hello. You'll see an image of yourself, and I'm going to go ahead and click Join with Video here so that we can see everyone. Now, you'll see that I'm getting a notice that the host will soon let me in. This is what it'll look like until I let you in. So as soon as the host lets me in, join with computer audio so that we can hear. And look, it's Nirgun. Namaste, Nirgun. So I want to show you a few more things. By entering this program, you're going to automatically be muted. This is so it doesn't create a pandemonium, but we're all able to listen to each other. Now, if we look down here, you'll be able to see the participants that are in the Zoom meeting. And you'll also see down here that you're given this option to raise your hand. You can also get to this by clicking the chat button. But here is, if I want to say something, for example, I will click this button, raise my hand, and Nirgun will see it, or the host will see it. And then when it's my turn to speak, they'll unmute me, and I'll be able to speak. The other thing that I'd like to show you is that if you don't want to go into this automatic view, which shows you whoever's speaking at the time in a big image, you can also look at everyone by going into this gallery view, and that'll show all of us. that are present. It'll obviously give us smaller boxes depending on how many of us there are. And if there's anything that you'd like to chat, you can do it. So in this chat box, you again get to that by going to the chat option down here. So that's it. That's how the Zoom meeting will work, and we hope it goes very smoothly. If you have any questions, just let me know. So that's Zoom. We hope that this video tutorial has been useful for you, and remember, if you have any questions, feel free to write me at info@satyoga.org. We'll see you at the first live stream. Namaste.